Carbontech, rehabilitating asset integrity through progressive composite engineering. RevowRap is an engineered carbon fiber pipe wrap formulated to rehabilitate compromised piping integrity back to its original design specification. The RevowRap systems are engineered to function in challenging industrial environments with specific characteristics enhanced for petrochemical plants, oil and gas plants, chemical and acid lines, internal and external corrosion, weld defects on pipes, tanks and vessels, transmission lines, and may be applied to intricate piping configurations. There is no size nor pressure limitation on which RevowRap may be applied. The layers of carbon fiber simply increase incrementally as system pressure increases. Our composite system withstands temperatures of up to 225 degrees Celsius and comply fully with ASME PCC2 and ISO TS 24817. For each repair, our engineers provide calculations which are compliant to the relevant codes. All calculations are signed off by a PR engineer. Finite element analysis is performed in certain instances where standard engineering codes do not provide adequate information. The application is fast and low-tech, but does require training. We developed an ASME PCC2 compliant training program, which provides a guide to advanced composites and cultivates problem-solving skills. The video provides a brief overview of a 6-inch pipe with a 10 mm through-wall defect being prepared, wrapped, and pressure tested. Substrate is repaired to NACE 2, ST3, or ST2 standards. A strong bond to the substrate increases lap shear properties, which affects design calculations and repair lengths. The substrate is thoroughly cleaned with RevowPrep before the primary layer is applied. The primary layer acts as a barrier which prevents galvanic corrosion and also distributes the load evenly. The saturation epoxy has a lower viscosity designed for easy saturation of the carbon fiber fabric. Our epoxies are of supreme high quality, ensuring high mechanical properties, high chemical resistance, and excellent adhesiveness. Once the carbon is thoroughly saturated, the wrap may be applied. Various methods are prescribed for specific repair requirements. In this clip, we demonstrate a continuous spiral coil. In this clip, we demonstrate a broken spiral coil. In this clip, we demonstrate a circumferential coil. Consolidation of a wrap is of utmost importance, and various methods are used. In most cases, the host pipe delivers sufficient heat to achieve adequate post-cures. In cases we cannot rely on heat transfer from the host pipe, we have developed the versatile RevowMat designed to safely post-cure pipe wraps. Once cured, a Sure-D hardness test is conducted to ensure the resin system is fully cured. To illustrate the quality of our systems, we have conducted a pressure test of pipe wrapped in this video. The pipe pressure was increased incrementally with 10 bar every 5 minutes up to the delamination of the wrap. Carbontech has distributors operating in East Asia, Central Asia, Australia, and South Africa, with a rapidly growing global presence. We understand the critical service that we deliver and assure all our clients, distributors, and end users alike that we will deliver exceptional quality service and exceptional quality products, always. We vow to provide dependable, responsible, and accurate information on our systems. Carbontech, rehabilitating asset integrity through progressive composite engineering.